Hey, Beard here, coming at you with another mystery unboxing. Now today, we've got the first of our 12 days of Beanie. I'm gonna go over this and see if it's worth it to get for next Christmas. Let's break it on open and see what it's like. There we go, there's our first one. We got our first one here. Let's open it on up and see what we've got. Oh. Oh, we got the little husky. We got a husky. This is Slush. Oh, so it's random. April 30th is Slush's birthday. How about that? Well, I'm excited to see what day 2 is for sure. Oh, so it's not Christmas. That's awesome. Well, I'm excited.